I'll show you exactly how to change your PayPal password and update your security questions without the frustration of searching for settings that don't exist in the mobile app. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Since password updates are restricted on the app, you can only change it on the PayPal website. To proceed, open your mobile or desktop browser to access the full site at paypal.com. Please always make sure you're on this official PayPal website before entering any login credentials to avoid phishing scams. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to access your account settings menu. Select the Security tab located directly above your name. Click Update next to the password field to start the credential reset. Enter your current password and your new chosen combination twice to verify the change before clicking Change Password. To strengthen your login security, here's how to change your PayPal security questions. Navigate back to the Security tab and click Update under Security Questions. From the drop-down menus for Security Question 1 and Security Question 2, select two new questions and type in their unique answers. Click Save to finalize your updates and log out of all active sessions for a fresh, secure start. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.